Hello everyone, my name is Josh, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Padlet. So you can sign up to use this application for free. You can use your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account, or you can sign up with your own personal email. I've already used my personal school email, so let me log in here. So what is Padlet and how do you use it? So that you can make one, or you can join a Padlet of all the ones that they've already built out. Just you know, not start from scratch. Um, some great ones that I've seen is one what fast food chain is the best burger. You can vote on what you think the best one is. Dinosaur time periods allows you to share with your class a timeline of dinosaurs, and it's great information for them to learn about that. Or you could use it personally to show maps of the countries that you visited, so you can keep track of that. So what would you think if it was used in a work environment? So if I were to make a Padlet, and I'm going to use shelf out of the options of styles of Padlets that you can create. So these are the settings that you get to choose from. You get title and description, wallpaper. So let's pick a wallpaper, color scheme, light or dark, font. If you want to see the author, the name of the post, where the post first comes in, first or last. If you want to allow comments on the post. Reactions, so this is like, vote, star, or grade. Grade would be great for classroom settings, so I'm just going to do like for these. You can require approval, so the admin or moderator has to approve if the post is okay, and you can filter profanity and turn them into emojis. So let's save this and start posting. So on a shelf one, you can create sections. So let's do to do in progress and complete. So then you got task 1, publish, task 2, and task 3. So you have all these tasks, and say you want to move them around to the next position as you complete them. That's what you're able to do. So that would be good for a work scenario, but what about for a classroom? This one would be good where you give a group activity, and you've got to set, for this example, is bridges, and they got to provide the information about those kind of bridges, provide those sources, and like I showed on the other one, you can turn on grading to where the teacher comes in here and gives them a grade, so to let them know how they've done. You can insert images and change the color of the Padlet. So these are, I hope that this has been a good tutorial and it makes you consider using this application. Thank you.